Good evening and welcome to my channel Equity One again. Today we have got some fantastic news to be shared upon. One starting with our great edutech giant Bajaj all about. All of us know that what has been going up with Bajaj, of course, the headlines speaks about it in volumes. Recently, there has been an acquisition from Bajaj stating that the lenders have started trying to acquire the company in the context of giving loans. So Bajaj is not in a position today to repay back the loans. Now there might be disputes in terms of the lenders and the borrowers coming into picture or the venture capitalists, but nevertheless what we need to learn here is that moment you are on a startup mode and automatically people start getting onto the higher valuations altogether, it becomes a problem. Why? Because we never know the actual potential of the company. So for many startups in India today, what has been really a challenge is that they have been looked upon as companies with great potential, with great valuation, but unfortunately suddenly they start showing a slowness in the business. They suddenly start showing that they're coming downfall, they're cascading down in terms of the business potential. Now this puts the lenders as well as the venture capitalists in a catch 22 position, and they suddenly start looking about saying that will there be any potential upside for these business in the coming years. Now, during the time of pandemic, definitely we all know that companies like Bajaj, Zomato, Swiggy made a very good business because they had the opportunity of going online and serving their customers. But after the pandemic was over, and today when things have come back to the normalcy, when I'm talking about the offline business altogether, now this is raising a question again about the potential factor of Bajaj, whether they would be able to survive, continue to provide the same great run what they showed few years back. Now, whatever might be the dispute for us that's going on, the most important thing that you need to see here is that for every startup today in India, we need to understand that the macro factors, the macroeconomic factors under which they are governed. So it is not that easy that you just start believing that you have a startup, automatically the valuation will go up, people will realize your potential, and one fine morning you will be in the Fortune 500 list. But that is not going to happen unless and until your business is consistently going to show an upside growth, and it's going to tell people that there is potential still left in the company. I think finances will not be available, raising capital would definitely become a question mark. Followed by this, we also have a good news today, and that is about Bajaj Finance trying to launch into the mutual fund market. So what does it really mean to the investors across country? All of a sudden, when you look into Bajaj, which has been a very good company, one of the most trusted brand in India, known for its capability in terms of its auto as well as in financial services, in the commercial as well as in the retail space, Bajaj has always been a trusted name among the Indian households. So today when Bajaj Finance and its Bajaj Finance group has decided that they're going to float mutual fund and they're going to enter into the market within the coming 30 days, that's definitely going to be an upside movement for the Bajaj stocks. So definitely have a look into Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finance. This would be the recommendation from me for today. Why? Because in the coming days, in the coming years, definitely you will start finding that Bajaj is going to make a very significant move because they already have a presence in the financial markets in India. They have been one of the premium lending houses trying to provide a lot of small time loans to the shopkeepers as well as to the consumers. And with their entry into the mutual fund segment, they would definitely come up with a lot of hybrid funds. They would come up with small debt funds and all those kind of segments, which they will try to cover each and every sector of the economy. So definitely the potential for growth in terms of mutual fund market is also rising. with the consumer getting a lot of awareness in the systematic investment plans. So this is the right step taken up by Bajaj Finance and its companies in terms of making this business go up. So this is the right time again for the investors also to look into the share. If you have not bought Bajaj Finserv till now, this is the right time for you to add it up to your portfolio. Definitely in the coming 3 to 6 months, this stock will definitely show an upside potential of at least 10 to 20%. So with this, I would like to conclude today's program. Thank you once again for joining me today on this wonderful channel. Keep watching and keep investing and grow smartly. Thank you guys.